Today I wanted to show you guys this sweet 100-watt foldable solar panel. I've been using it to build out my camper van. I just recently got a permanent solar panel mounted, but up until then I was just using this foldable one.
So the van's definitely not done. I've got walls that need to go up. I've got backsplashes that need to go in. But I'm working on it. I've got most of the wiring done now. So let's see. I've got power over here, so this is sweet. Cigarette lighters, not for cigarettes, but for charging. I've got more lights up here. This one's a mood light, so I can dim it down, turn it off. Pretty sweet. Still got to make a table in the middle so I can push it down and make a big full bed. But yeah, it's coming along. I'm working full time now, so I don't get as much time to work on it. But I should be able to get it done in a couple more weekends. But we're not here to talk about my messy van today. We're here to talk about the solar panel, which I was using until I got my main solar panel, because I need electricity. I don't have a place to live anymore. I'm living in this. So to charge all my tools and stuff, I need power. And the best way for me to get that is through solar panel. So I'm going to set this up for you guys today just to show you how easy it works. I'm going to pull out this insulation panel. So these cables are my permanent solar panel cables, but I'm just going to pop these out and pop them into this solar panel. So this solar panel, it comes with the cables, and then it's got a bunch of adapters, so you can plug it into Goal Zero or all the other brands. It kind of works for all brands, unlike the Goal Zero ones, which kind of like the Goal Zero ones. I personally don't like Goal Zero. I think they're overpriced and underpowered, but that's for another video. It also has USB connectors, so if you don't want to have a battery or charge controller and just want to charge your phone, you can plug your phone into a 100-watt solar panel and it'll charge it real quick. But let's plug this guy. So I have all my electrical stuff under here. I gotta put it on the hinge. It's not on the hinge yet. And it's a big mess, so don't make fun of my messy electrical work. But so right now, I just got the solar panel folded up, and you can tell on charge controller, we've got no power coming into the solar panel right now. But the battery's at 13.1 volts. Yeah, and then I've got to run over to a fuse box, and this is going to run all my 12-volt stuff. So let's go ahead and get this guy set up outside. So one of the nice things is you can move this around so you can point it directly at the sun. And you'd be surprised, a 100-watt panel pointing at the sun will do better than a 200-watt panel that's just sitting flat. So I can throw it on the roof of my van, or I can hang it because it has handy little rivets I can hang it with. So the sun's coming from over there right now. So I think I'm going to rig up a way to hang it right on here. Just like that. Okay, so I got it tied up now. So it's completely on my door. And now as the sun moves, I can just move this and get the maximum power. Or if I want, I can try to pull it out more to get more angle that way. But yeah, so let's go back on the inside and look at what it's doing. Yep, so now you can see the juices are flowing into the battery. It was at 13.1 volts and now it's already at 13.8. So now that it's charging, I got my inverter coming off the battery, coming in there, and I've got my tool batteries. So I can charge up my tool batteries and get back to work. Because I don't know about you, but I need to get back to work. I need to make this van a little bit nicer. It's not quite done yet. We put in countertops in here, sink. I got a 12-volt pump that's going to pump water up, some shelves, finish the electrical and put the walls up. Yeah, make the table. I've got nice floors that I'm going to put in, but I got to do some painting first, and I don't want to get paint on my floors. So I'm going to do the painting first and then put the floors in, put some more panels up. But yeah, overall, the van's coming along, and this panel really, I mean, those solar panels really did come in handy. So I'll put a link to it in the description. Their company, they sent it out to me because they wanted me to test it out, and I tested it out, and it worked. It works pretty well. I liked it. It'd be great for things like a hunting trip where you have a home base, because it's kind of heavy. I don't know if you really want to backpack with it, but it has a bunch of power. So if you're going to be camping in one spot for a while, you can bust that out, and it'll work really great. So that solar panel, I believe it's listed for $209 right now, but I've seen it go on sale for cheaper than that. It's 100 watt, and the equivalent Goal Zero foldable 100 watt solar panel is $500. So even without the sale, this is half the price of the Goal Zero one. And we can get it on sale. That's like almost a third the price of the Goal Zero one. Same power, same output. I think it's a good deal. Check it out if you're interested.